Welcome back to my kitchen recipes. Today I am going to share choco lava cake recipe. So for this recipe, the ingredients we need are half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 glass of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, butter, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, and 1 dairy milk chocolate. So let's get into the process. So take a bowl. First add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then take half a cup of powdered sugar, mix it. I have taken 1 cup of maida with this cup, so half a quantity of sugar. Cocoa powder, I am taking 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Mix it well. Now I am adding baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon, now baking powder, half a teaspoon, mix it all together. Now I am adding milk gradually. The milk should be in room temperature. So add little by little and make a thin batter like this. The consistency should be like this. So I have taken a small bowl for double boiling the chocolate. So I am using half a quantity of the chocolate. Make small pieces and add into the bowl. The chocolate started melting. I have added butter also. The butter should be in room temperature. So our chocolate has melted. Add into the batter which we have prepared earlier. Now take this kind of bowls. I have dusted it with some cocoa powder and some oil. Fill it into half a quantity. Tap so that the air bubbles will not form. Now take a pan, add some salt and place a stand into it. Now arrange the molds. Cover it and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. See, after 20 minutes our lava cakes are ready. So that's it. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.